And we want to raise some money. So we put them on the program because we feel like they're going to draw a crowd. And guess what we'll do? Because it sounds good. We start shouting. We start dancing. But see, it sounds good to us. But heaven said, that's not my sound. That's not my sound. See, God said, I don't even want to hear it. Why? Because there was no righteousness behind it. See, we got to stop being impressed by what God rejects. Oh, my God. We got to stop shouting over what God is silencing. And here's the imbalance. When we jump, dance, and shout over a gifted singer, but when the man or woman of God get up, and they're preaching under the anointing, they're giving you the truth, the doctrine, the word of Jesus Christ, we'll sit there like books on the log, and we won't even move. And it seems like the more that baby song. The more she songs, the pain begins to slow down. I can tell you right now, I feel all right in my body. Because when the sound got right, God honored the sanctified sound. And they were singing under the anointing. My God, my God. My God, my God. Tell your neighbor, when the sound is right, he'll step in the room. When the sound is right, he'll sit in your praise. When the sound is right, he'll dwell in your worship. Glory